to the channel. What if I told you that downsizing could actually upgrade your life? Today, we're stepping inside a luxury modern tiny farmhouse that completely redefines what small living looks like. Forget cramped corners and compromise. This home proves that square footage has nothing to do with sophistication. From the very first glance to the final interior detail, every inch of this space has been crafted to blend rustic farmhouse warmth with sleek modern elegance. Stay with me, because what you're about to see might just change the way you think about tiny homes forever. Before we even step inside, the exterior commands attention. Crisp white board-and-batten siding contrasts beautifully with matte black window frames, creating that timeless modern farmhouse aesthetic everyone loves. The metal roof adds durability while delivering clean architectural lines that feel both contemporary and classic. Subtle wooden accents soften the bold palette, adding warmth and texture. And just wait until you see how those oversized windows completely transform the interior lighting, but we'll get to that in a moment. Now here's where charm truly meets intention. The covered front porch isn't just decorative, it's an extension of the living space. Imagine morning coffee with countryside views or evening conversations under soft pendant lighting. The natural wood decking adds organic warmth against the crisp siding, while minimalist railing keeps the look refined. It's cozy without feeling cluttered, stylish without being flashy. And what's even more impressive? This tiny porch feels grand despite the home's modest footprint. Step through the glass-paneled front door and notice how the home immediately feels open and airy. High vaulted ceilings create vertical drama, drawing your eyes upward and expanding the sense of space. Light-toned engineered hardwood floors run seamlessly throughout, eliminating visual breaks and making the home feel larger. The neutral color palette acts as a canvas for texture and natural light. And trust me, The way sunlight floods this space through those expansive windows is nothing short of breathtaking. Here's where comfort and class collide. The living area may be compact, but it feels indulgent. A tailored linen sofa with built-in storage anchors the room, paired with a sleek electric fireplace framed by shiplap detailing. Floating shelves add both personality and practicality without overwhelming the wall space. Soft layered textiles, woven throws, textured pillows, and a plush area rug bring warmth. And just wait until you see how cleverly hidden storage solutions keep this space looking effortlessly polished. Prepare to be amazed, because this kitchen rivals those in full-sized luxury homes. Quartz countertops cascade over custom shaker cabinets painted in a muted sage green, adding subtle personality. Brass hardware introduces a sophisticated sparkle without overpowering the space. Full-height cabinetry maximizes storage, while integrated appliances maintain clean, uninterrupted lines. A deep farmhouse sink beneath a panoramic window offers both practicality and picturesque views. And the multifunctional island? It's about to steal the show. This isn't just a prep station, it's the heart of the home. The waterfall edge island doubles as a dining table, workspace, and social hub. Hidden drawers conceal utensils and charging stations, while upholstered counter stools add a soft, elegant touch. Pendant lights overhead create a warm ambience in the evenings, turning everyday meals into intimate dining experiences. It's proof that thoughtful design can transform even the smallest kitchen into a statement of refined living. Think tiny bathrooms can't feel luxurious? Think again. This farmhouse bathroom features oversized marble-look tiles that visually expand the room while delivering high-end appeal. A frameless glass shower enclosure keeps the layout open and airy. Matte black fixtures echo the exterior window trim, tying the entire home's design together. Floating vanity cabinetry provides storage without crowding the floor space. And the rainfall showerhead? It transforms daily routines into spa-level indulgence. Tucked behind a sliding barn door, the primary bedroom is a masterclass in space efficiency. Built-in nightstands eliminate bulky furniture, while wall-mounted sconces free up surface area. Soft neutral bedding layered with textured accents creates a hotel-inspired atmosphere. Large windows ensure natural light pours in during the day, yet blackout shades offer privacy at night. It's intimate yet breathable, a peaceful retreat designed to recharge both body and mind. Climb the streamlined staircase and discover a loft that feels anything but secondary. Whether used as a guest room, creative studio, or reading nook, this upper-level space adapts effortlessly to changing needs. Skylights above invite natural illumination, making the ceiling feel higher and the air lighter. Custom railing keeps sight lines open, preserving that expansive feeling from below. And here's the exciting part. This flexible loft proves that even vertical space can become luxurious real estate. Luxury isn't just about appearance, it's about intelligent functionality. Throughout this tiny farmhouse, hidden compartments are seamlessly integrated into stairs, seating, and cabinetry. Underfloor storage provides space for seasonal items, while cleverly concealed closets maintain clean aesthetics. Energy-efficient windows, modern insulation, and compact HVAC systems ensure comfort year-round. Every detail works quietly behind the scenes, supporting a lifestyle that feels effortless, organized, and undeniably upscale. So here's the big takeaway: this luxury modern tiny farmhouse isn't about downsizing, it's about redefining priorities. It proves that elegance, comfort, and functionality can coexist beautifully within a smaller footprint. From the striking exterior facade to the spa-like bathroom and adaptable loft, every space has been curated with intention and style. If this home inspired you to rethink what's possible in compact living, imagine what your own tiny dream could look like. Small living never required sacrificing high-end style, and now, you've seen the proof.